Let's be real. Life happens. We have work, we have kids, we have pets, we have a lot of day-to-day things. One day you took the time to organize and had everything clean and nice. Next thing you know, you had a lot of clutter piling up. I know you want your house to look amazing, to look put together, stylish, but with clutter, it's really difficult to have that out and still get that look you desire. Clutter just doesn't mess up the look of your home. It can mess with how you feel in a home. It can feel frustrating, overwhelming, and downright embarrassing, especially when you have unexpected guests to come over. You look around and you're like, how in the world did it get like this? Has this happened to you? So what do? These tips will instantly transform your home from clutter to classy. The first way is by using storage benches. Storage benches are perfect for entryways or at the foot of your bed. You can stash shoes, blankets, or even kids' toys inside, and it doubles as stylish seating. Decorative boxes. Decorative boxes are lifesavers, and it's great for hiding small items like remotes, mail, cards, or even chargers. Decorative storage baskets. Baskets aren't just functional, they're stylish. Use the baskets to hide things like blankets, shoes, and magazines, and place them in corners or under the console tables. Next are sideboards and cabinets. Stylish cabinets not only look great, but they double as storage. Put items such as shoes, seasonal decor, and other random items in there that you don't want others to see. Beds with storage drawers. These type of beds have a built-in storage drawer that is perfect for hiding away seasonal clothes, extra linens, or shoes. They are also stylish. Try incorporating these 5 tips to create a stylish look that gives you more storage for your clutter. And don't forget to check the description box below to shop the items that I shared in this video. If any of these tips have helped, click the like button and also follow for more DIY design tips and tricks.